Adjusting for parallax on camera 3.
Confirmed. Timings are locked.
Telemetry is nominal across all bands.
Confirmed. We are go for ignition sequence start.
I've got the frontal impact photos. How's the dummy positioning?
Looks standard, but the steering column moved slightly.
The third and fourth ribs show significant buckling. Are the internal sensors intact?
No, they appear compromised. We should document this immediately.
The
schematics show that shear point is critical.
Agreed. This titanium joint is definitely a replacement. The crumple zone performed optimally, but we're seeing unexpected spikes in the B-pillar data.
It looks like the energy transfer shifted laterally after initial impact.
First. The incident rate is down, but we must address the reporting lag in Sector 3.
If we implement the new training module, we could see improvement.
Notice the difference in the ribcage structure. This side impact dummy has specific load sensors designed to measure impact on the thorax.
Okay, the offset is set. Check the height. Height is good. We are aligned.
Overlap confirmed at 25%.
Check. Vehicle secure. Personnel clear the zone.
We've increased the range here to better simulate the cervical spine.
What about the load readings on this shoulder joint?
Yeah, we monitor that closely right here.
As you can see, the abdomen is fully instrumented to measure the forces on both the pregnant occupant and the fetal surrogate inside.
The data clearly highlights the unique vulnerability of elderly occupants in crashes. Particularly lower tolerance in the
lip. Historically, female crash data relied on scaled-down male models. This new design addresses the critical biomechanical differences.
Neural pathways are showing full connectivity,
confirming stable readings across the frontal lobe array. The localized heating effect is negligible.
The journey of the crash test dummy began simply, evolving from basic metal designs in the 1950s to the sophisticated human surrogates we see today.
When we look at the economics of dummy manufacturing, it starts with the production costs.
Right, and that extends into the detailed calibration and long service life cycle of each model.
The 2023 model shows a 40% improvement thanks to these standards.
We analyzed the data from the simulations.
I remember the impact clearly. Everything happened so fast, but the airbag and the seatbelt mechanism worked to save my life.
Congratulations on behalf of the entire committee.
Thank you. We are deeply honored.
This new car seat model significantly reduces the risk of injury.
Let me show you how the installation works.
Vision Zero is based on one core principle:
Eliminating traffic fatalities.
Entirely.
To do this,
as you can see in the simulation, the high-strength steel absorbs impact energy while the composite maintains the cabin structure.
The crumple zone performed as expected, but the LiDAR array shows critical failure at impact.
We need to review the telemetry data from the moment of collision.
We're really focused on the data, ensuring every component performs as expected.
It's about protecting people. That's why we meticulously check everything.
The crash test dummy is celebrated as a biomechanical achievement.